Hello learners! When your teacher schedules an online class, you will receive a message or an email. Click on this link in your message to view your dashboard online. If you received an email, you need to click on this link. Click on Join Class to enter your classroom online. Please click on Allow to use your mic. Now, click on Join to enter your virtual class. Welcome to your ReadToMe virtual classroom. Make sure to use your phone in the landscape mode. This is your chat icon. Click here if you want to message your teacher. This is the raise your hand icon. If you want to speak in the class, click on this icon. Your teacher will unmute you and you can then talk to your teacher. This is the mute-unmute icon. Click on this icon to mute or unmute yourself in the class. You can switch on your video by clicking on this icon. The class has now started. Listen to your teacher and follow their instructions. Good luck!